Hi, let's take a quick, fast-paced look at how we can connect a free database to a Wix website using Caspio Bridge. Caspio is a database platform that allows users to build feature-rich applications without coding. When we're done with this video, you're going to learn how to publish Excel data to your Wix website using an interactive search report. Your website visitors will be able to search, see the results, and drill down to details if necessary. To begin, click on the link in the description of this video to set up your free Caspio account. After filling out the form, you'll receive an email with your login credentials. Go ahead and log into your Caspio account by clicking on Customer Login. Once logged in, click on New App to set up a new application for your business. Let's start off by importing some sample data from Excel. My Excel file contains customer-related data, and what I would like to do is publish this data on my website. Let's give our application a name and locate the Excel file on our machine and attach it to the import wizard. You'll be guided through a few steps until you're finally done with the import. Let's go ahead and use the Create New action from the drop-down menu to set up a new database table. Give the table a name and click Next. On the second screen, we'll need to configure each field name and its correct data type. When done, click on Import, and that will conclude the import process of your Excel file. Once we're back on the home page, we're now going to open the application. Once opened, you'll see a list of objects on the left-hand side that will be used in creating the specific app. Under the Overview object, we can add notes to keep track of our progress. For example, let's add a quick note saying that we just started building this application. Navigate down to Tables, and you'll see that Excel file that's been converted to a database table. From here, we can open the table to view the data in datasheet mode, or we can tab over to the table design to modify or add new fields to the table. Now that we have our data inside our Caspio database table, we can navigate over to Data Pages to create our report. Simply click on New Data Page link to launch the Data Page wizard. From here, select Reports, and let's go into tabular format. Keep in mind that Caspio platform allows you to build forms, calendars, charts, and many other types of application interfaces. When you select the data page type, you'll see an illustration below that will give you a great visual on what you're about to create. And as you can see from our selection, our tabular report will consist of 3 steps: Search, Results, and Details. Click Next and select your database table as your data source from the drop-down menu. This is how you link your table to your report. Here we can also apply a style and localization to change the aesthetics or the look and feel of our report. But for now, we'll focus on the functionality, so let's click Next. Include the fields you'd like to have in your search form, and let's configure the fields on the next screen. I'm going to change the comparison type to Contains on both fields so that I can have more of a keyword type search. You can also change the element type on each field if you'd like to turn that into a drop-down, radio button, or any other type of element. On the next screen, let's include our results page fields. Click Next and let's leave the screen as is, although you could modify the properties of the results page fields as well. Click Next. Here we can choose to display 10 records per page if we'd like, and we can sort our results on any one of our fields. Let's also enable a delete link so that we can delete records from the web. Click Next. On this page, you have the option to either enable or disable the Details view. Let's enable it and click Next. And lastly, let's go ahead and include all the fields in our Details page and click Next one last time. On the final screen of the report wizard, we can make our fields editable or keep them as display only. Click Finish to save and view your report. To see what you've built, click on the Preview link and go through the preview screen to see if you're happy with the final modifications. If so, click on the Deploy link to publish the report to your website. Simply enable access to your report, copy the embed code, and paste the code to your website editor. After you paste the code, publish your site and you'll see the report seamlessly embed into your web page. With the platform, you can also build input forms, reports, charts, calendars. You can password protect your applications with login screens. You can create table relationships, user-level authentications, and many more feature-rich functionalities. If you need assistance or want to know if your application will be a good fit for Caspio's platform, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and good luck building your apps.